Hi guys, this is a very simple reading sample for beginners. The kanji used here are JLPT and 4 kanji. With no further ado, let's read it. Okay, let's go. 冬の朝、お母さんが部屋へ来て大きい声で言いました。ケン君、雪よ。早く起きなさい。ケン君はカーテンを開けて外を見ました。外は庭も木も車も真っ白になっていました。Let's read together. 冬の朝、お母さんが部屋へ来て大きい声で言いました。ケン君、雪よ。早く起きなさい。ケン君はカーテンを開けて外を見ました。外は庭も木も車も真っ白になっていました。Here's the English translation. On a winter morning, his mother came to his room and said in a loud voice, Ken-kun, it's snowing. Get up. Ken opened the curtains and looked outside. Outside, the yard, trees, and cars were all white. Let's translate the words. Fuyu is winter, morning, mother, come, big, say. Kun comes after a boy's name, snow, fast and early. Mentioned earlier, open, outside, look, outside, tree, car, white. Okay, and so we're done. I hope this will be helpful in your study with Nihongo or Japanese. それではここでお勉強を終わります。またね。